Assertion SN1 mechanism is facilitated by polar protic solvents like water, alcohol, etc. Reason given is C6H5CH C6H5Br. This is 1,1 diphenyl bromomethane is less reactive than C6H5CH CH3Br in SN1 reactions. Both are bromo derivatives. So we have to find the answer. Let us go to assertion. So assertion is SN1 mechanism is facilitated by polar protic solvents. So what is polar protic solvents? So polar protic is nothing but, see, let us take an example: water, alcohol. So which has the capacity to give H plus ions, which has the capacity to give H plus ions are said to be polar. It is polar and it is also protic, which gives H plus ions. So what is SN1 mechanism? SN1 mechanism, we know that it takes place in two steps. The first step is formation of carbocation. So RCl, the leaving group will leave, plus any of the RCl leaving group will leave, and you will be getting a carbocation. Under attack of a nucleophile, then we get the product. First step is carbocation, second step is the formation attack of nucleophile. Attack of nucleophile. So these are the two steps. So what happens when we have polar protic solvent? See this H plus ion, that is from, if we have a polar solvent, if we have a polar protic, what happens? This H plus ion will interact with the nucleophile. H plus ion will interact with nucleophile. So decreasing the concentration of nucleophile. So what happens when the concentration is decreased? The carbocation is more stabilized. Carbocation more stabilized. So more stabilized the carbocation, it follows the SN1 mechanism. So SN1 mechanism is facilitated by the polar protic solvent like water is true statement. So this is correct. Why? So polar protic means it gives H plus ions. So this polar protic, this H plus ion will interact with OH minus, that is our nucleophile. And this nucleophile, if it interacts with the nucleophile, we will get some intermediate products. So the concentration of the nucleophile decreases, the stability of the carbocation increases, which favors the SN1 mechanism. Now moving on to the reason. So what is the reason given is there are two bromo derivatives. One is having there are two bromo derivatives. The reason is there are two bromo. See here, this C6H5C, C6H5, and you have CHBr. Another one is C6H5, CH3 and another Br. What is the difference between these two is it is having two phenyl group and here it is one phenyl and one methyl group. So so because of the presence of two phenyl groups, this is this carbocation, this carbocation, this C plus, this carbocation is more stabilized compared to this structure. Here you have only one phenyl group and another one is the methyl group. It is less stabilized due to this resonance comparatively. Here it is only one phenyl group, so this benzylic carbocation is less stabilized. So the first compound, this compound is more reactive than this compound is more reactive. The first compound, this is C6H5CHBr, is more reactive than C6H5CH3Br. Our option, that is the reason given, is wrong. It is given less. No, it is more reactive because of the resonance stabilization. So our answer is our answer is assertion given is a correct statement and the reason given is the wrong statement. Our option is C. That is, assertion is true, reason is the wrong statement, and our option is C.